Welcome back. In this video, we will be learning about the fourth chapter of Marathi. माहिती घेऊया. I have made the lesson clear and comprehensible. I will read out the lesson in parts and explain it accordingly in English also. Listen to the Marathi pronunciation well. पाऊस केव्हा पडेल? किती पडेल? ह्याची देशभर चिंता असते. ही चिंता दूर करण्यासाठी ज्या संशोधकाने मान्सूनच्या अंदाजाची नवीन पद्धत शोधून काढली त्यांचे नाव डॉक्टर वसंत गोवारीकर. When will it rain? How much will the rainfall be? There is an anxiety about this all over the country. The researcher Dr. Vasanta Govarikar has discovered a new method of forecasting the monsoon to overcome this concern. डॉक्टर वसंत गोवारीकरांचा जन्म 25 मार्च 1933 रोजी पुण्यात झाला. शाळेत असताना त्यांना नवनव्या कल्पना सुचायच्या. एकदा त्यांना वाटले आपण मोटार बनवावी. Dr. Vasant Govarikar was born on March 25, 1933 in Pune. He used to come up with lot of new ideas. When he was in school, he wanted to make a car. अवघे 13 वर्षांचे असताना डॉक्टर गोवारीकर ह्यांनी थेट अमेरिकेतील हेनरी फोर्डला पत्र लिहून आपली इच्छा कळवली. हेनरी फोर्डला मराठी कळणार नाही म्हणून त्यांनी मित्राची मदत घेऊन मराठीत लिहिलेल्या पत्राचे इंग्रजी भाषांतर केले. When he was only 13 years old, Dr. Govarikar wrote a letter about his desire directly to Henry Ford from United States. As Henry Ford won't understand Marathi, he translated the letter into English with the help of a friend. हेनरी फोर्डने डॉक्टर गोवारीकर ह्यांच्या पत्राची दखल घेऊन उत्तरही पाठवली. त्यासोबत काही पुस्तकेही पाठवली. त्यांच्या कुशाग्र बुद्धिमत्तेची आणि दृढ संकल्पनाची चुणूक लहानपणीच दिसून आली. Henry Ford took note of his letter and also sent a reply. With that, he also sent some books. He was intellectually sharp and very firm in his dreams. It was recognized in his childhood itself. कोल्हापूरला पदवीपर्यंतचे शिक्षण झाल्यानंतर उच्च शिक्षणासाठी ते इंग्लंडला गेले. बर्मिंगहॅम विद्यापीठात त्यांनी रासायनिक अभियांत्रिकी विषयात संशोधन केले. पुढे इंग्लंडच्या ऊर्जा संशोधन केंद्रात संशोधक म्हणून त्यांनी काम केले. After graduating from Kolhapur, he went to England for higher education. At Birmingham University, he studied chemical engineering. Further, he worked as a researcher in England's Energy Research Centre. विक्रम साराभाई ह्यांच्या आग्रहामुळे 1967 साली ते भारताच्या अवकाश संशोधन केंद्रात रुजू झाले. घन पदार्थातील ऊर्जा ह्या विषयाच्या संशोधनासाठी त्यांच्या पुढाकाराने नवा प्रकल्प सुरू करण्यात आला. On Vikram Sarabhai's request, he joined the Space Research Centre of India in 1967. He provided professional leadership in making the critical solid fuel technology for India's launch vehicles. His initiative led to the launch of a new project. भारताच्या विज्ञान क्षेत्रात त्यांनी केलेली कामगिरी फार मोठी आहे. आणीबाणीच्या मोटारीकरिता घन इंधन बनवायचे तंत्र त्यांनी विकसित केले. His achievements in the field of science in India are great. He developed the technique of making solid fuel for a rocket car. Children, I have also shown you a rocket car at the side. You can see that the rocket car. He made fuel for the rocket car. Okay, so that's all that I wanted to explain you. I hope you've understood everything. That's all for now. I hope this helps you clear the concepts. Take care and God bless.